I've been having a lot of teeth problems, for lack of a better word, issues, a lot of pain. I've had numerous extractions throughout the years. Sleep apnea caused me to really grind a lot, which my two front teeth at that point in time were really whittled down. And, so my eating ability was very limited on what I could and could not eat. Did I hide my smile? Absolutely. Was I embarrassed to smile? Absolutely. Hated to open my mouth, really. Part of what I do involves a lot of meetings, a lot of round tables, a lot of, higher ups, if you will. And I felt at times that, I was, not being demeaned, but, frowned upon, if you will, because of my, appearance at that time. And it's hard to, sit in a room with a guy that's, for lack of a better word, a bigwig, and having to, hide my teeth. I just would be real conscious of eye contact and, kind of, a lot of this and, just, I was very conscious of when not to, your mind becomes trained, at least mine did, to be more aware, I guess, of the appropriate timing, to open your mouth or not. Literally couldn't eat. I couldn't chew it. I was working with, at that point when I came here, working with essentially 6 front teeth, or bottom teeth, and no back teeth at all on the bottom. I was referred to Dr. Denson by a friend of mine who did basically not the exact same thing, but pretty similar procedure for a good friend of mine, Matt. My name's Matt. His name's Matt. Recommended Dr. Denson and said that he would, do a really good job, and I strongly, recommended you go see him. First impression, great bedside manner. He could sell a ketchup popsicle to a woman in white gloves. Very likable. Enjoyed him right out of the gate. Very friendly, caring. He really cares about the patient. I really felt that out of the gate. It wasn't just about, in today's world, it's all about the money. Doesn't matter what you do. In most people's minds, I didn't feel that from him. I'm not going to name the 2 prior dentists that I went and saw before electing to come see Dr. Denson. But those 2 priors, I felt out of the gate, you're here to pay the house payment for us, and that's about it. You're going to be a number to us, and that's how I felt. I didn't feel that from Dr. Denson at all.
Right. Okay.
Just very friendly. Again, caring, very considerate, caring, understanding, and just easy to talk to. The staff's been great. I can tell you that Kelly is amazing. She's a good one.
Yeah.
He's very lucky to have her here. I'll say that.
Right.
Very willing to work with, me, not only financially, but schedule wise, And myself, I had terrible anxiety going to the dentist. I didn't go for 20 years probably.
Wow.
I mean, they're not a magical pill that they give you, but they just make you feel, I guess, welcome. We're going to welcome you here. They make you feel as comfortable as they possibly can. And, they did the best they could. We had a consult. He gave me 2 or 3 different options. What he would suggest, what he would recommend, things that, I could have, ripped them all out and put dentures in and called it a day, or you could do, A, B, C, or D, and A being the dentures, B being a couple implants, C being 3, and being everything I did, all the crowns and the whole 9 yards. So he definitely took the time to explain that to me, and I was very, appreciative of that. And going over the cost of everything and what he, recommended and suggested.
Mhm.
My number one thing, and it's one thing, like I was telling the friend again, I was talking to on the way down here, it's one thing to have a pretty nice smile, that's great. To me, the main thing is to be able to eat like I would like to be able to eat. If I want to go to Whataburger, I want to get a Whataburger. I don't want to go have a broth or tortilla soup from Mercado's. I'm tired of that. I want to be able to go to a lunch meeting and get whatever I want, and not have to kind of hunt and peck around for soft thing, mashed potatoes and.
Leave me just kind of end here. Just leave me a Google review on video for Dr. Denson.
1 to 5?
Yeah.
5. 100%. No
Okay.
question. Excellent staff, very professional, very friendly, very godly, I felt, caring and considerate.